Before we talk about more rain in the forecast, let's talk about something else in the sky. Today marks 179 years since Neptune was discovered. The blue gas giant is almost 4 times larger than Earth. It orbits the sun once every 165 years. The eighth planet from the sun was discovered by German astronomer Johann Gottfried Galle at the Berlin Observatory on September 23, 1846. Well, if you looked up into the sky overnight or even into this morning, we didn't see much because of mostly cloudy skies, and eventually by this morning, a lot of dense fog moved into the area. This was on my walk to class this morning on Eastern's campus. We saw dense fog here outside of Booth Library and across many other areas. We were placed under a dense fog advisory, but that has since been lifted. But moving later into the day, we saw high temperatures eventually reach into the upper 70s and in mid-80s even, with a high temperature of 79 degrees here in Charleston, but we reach 85 degrees up in Champaign and 80 in many other portions of the viewing area. Back behind me there was mostly cloudy skies still, and that's leading up to what we're going to be seeing overnight tonight, because the return of some more rain will be moving into the forecast, with possible rain overnight tonight, along with a drop in temperature, a low temperature of 63 degrees, partially due to the rain, but also partially due to the winds blowing out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, for the timing of this rain overnight tonight, we're seeing some of this rain begin to encroach in parts of our area, but as we move throughout the night, heavy rainfall will move through the area, mostly by the morning hours, focusing up towards the northern portions of our viewing area. But as we move throughout the daytime tomorrow, that rain will follow, and we'll see scattered showers throughout most of the daytime. The bigger chance for scattered showers will be in the morning and the early afternoon. There will still be scattered showers as we move into the afternoon and evening, but it's less likely that you'll see this because it will become more scattered as this system dissipates. But as we look at our daytime tomorrow, temperatures will also be cooler with a high temperature of only 74 degrees. Unfortunately, that will be the coolest that we'll be seeing this week because temperatures will be warming up. But as we look back at our futurecast, you're seeing that heavier rainfall in the morning hours tomorrow. Eventually, the system will begin to dissipate, leaving us with scattered showers by the afternoon and even fewer scattered showers as we make it to the evening. And by 8 p.m. on Wednesday, we're going to be seeing just mostly cloudy skies across most of the viewing area. So from this rain event that we're seeing overnight and into tomorrow, we're not expecting a lot of rain, just under a ½ inch for most of the area, right around a ½ inch for Champaign and Paris, but not a lot of rainfall as this system moves through, and that's due to the scattered showers that are moving through. Now, after this rain clears up, we're going to be seeing partly cloudy skies on Thursday with a high temperature of 77 degrees, but temperatures will start to warm up as we finish off the work week, eventually getting back up into the 80s by Friday, mostly clear skies on Friday, and that will only continue as we make it to the weekend with a high temperature of 83 under clear sunny skies. So once that rain moves out, temperatures are going to start to warm up quite a bit, and that will only continue. We're looking at this graph here, temperatures beginning to warm up. By Saturday will be above average and well above average by Sunday, and that will only continue because there is a lack of rainfall as we look at the next 7 days. We're seeing rain overnight and eventually into tomorrow, which will cool our temperatures down into the low 70s. But as we move forward, we're going to be seeing temperatures begin to warm up because of the lack of rainfall. Eventually, by the weekend, we're going to be seeing temperatures in the 80s and the upper 80s by Sunday. And by the time we make it to Monday, temperatures are only going to continue to warm up, eventually staying in the upper 80s by Monday and Tuesday.